how to see RAP on Roblox, which means recent average price. So here what we want to do is go to Google, search for raw gold and press enter here. Now we want to get this Google Chrome extension. It's completely free and it's safe. So just click on add to Chrome here and we are just going to select add extension. Now it's going to look like this once it has been added. Now what I'm going to do is go back to Roblox. I'm going to refresh the page here and you will see some things changed here for my account. But basically what we want to do is click on our profile and this tab will appear immediately. So your current RAP, and we can also check the RAP for different friends of ours and players. So I'm gonna open up this person's, so 0 RAP for him. This one, he has 0 RAP as well. These people really cannot RAP, and unknown RAP here because of her settings. And yeah, if I refresh this, it should probably work. So that's how you see people's RAP on Roblox. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.